Natural resource issues are complex. Engaging partners in a collaborative process fosters strong relationships and lasting solutions. The Cispus Workshop teaches collaborative competencies in a natural setting with a diverse group of land management professionals. For over 50 years, the Cispus Workshop has provided an interactive learning environment that leverages field-based experiences to help participants hone collaborative skills. Workshop participants learn techniques to effectively facilitate groups, processes, and information sharing. The Cispus Workshop teaches students how to conduct efficient and effective meetings, create and maintain productive teams, collaborate successfully with partners, deliver information to reach diverse audiences, communicate effectively, and manage the decision-making process. The Cispus Collaboration Workshop is held annually, hosting students from multiple federal and state agencies, universities, and beyond. During the workshop, students build interpersonal relationships with their peers as they share quarters and family-style meals throughout the week-long experience. Each workshop incorporates time for students to reflect on what they've learned and recharge in their downtime by hiking, exploring nature, playing board games, playing sports, reading, and more. Talk with your supervisor about incorporating the Cispus Collaboration Workshop into your annual training plan. Come and get inspired.